In this video, we are going to be looking at what is the difference between find and filter. Basically, both are the prototype method of an array, and both are used to search or filter any elements from an array. So the difference between find and filter is, what will find do? Find will only return you a first matched element, and it will skip the remaining match elements. And in case of filter, it will return all the match elements in a new array. So for example, we do have an array of different numbers. So let's create arr.find a is triple equal to 2. Then if I come over here and write console.log, then you will notice that it has only returned me 2, right? But in case if I convert this find to filter, then you will notice that it is returning me all the 2 which are present inside a array as a new array, right? So this is the main difference between filter and find. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.